Are you contemplating buying the DJI Osmo Pocket? Regardless of whether it's the Pocket 1 or Pocket 2, I think this video will make your choice a little easier. What's up guys, it's your boy JT and welcome back to the channel. As always, first and foremost, thank you very much for the support you guys have shown me. As you guys show me more and more support, my channel keeps growing and I can keep giving you guys some useful and good content. So today we're going to be reviewing the DJI Osmo Pocket. I've had it for the past 3 months and I've used it in a variety of kind of situations and scenarios and all sorts of weather conditions. So after playing around and kind of going through all the settings and using it in all these different scenarios, it's really allowed me to get the most out of my Osmo Pocket. So today we're going to be doing a full review. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Alright, so let's look at some of the externals of the device. In terms of dimensions, it's 122mm high by 37mm wide and 28.6mm deep. It weighs 116 grams, which is quite light to be honest, compared to some other devices such as your phone. It's got 2 buttons at the front by standard. One is the record button and the other is a function / power key. You've got 2 microphones on the device, one just above the record button, and then you've got one on the underside of the gimbal. In terms of camera specs, it can take photos in up to 12 megapixel and can record in 4K 60 frames per second or 2.7K 60 frames per second with tracking. So if you look at some of the shooting modes, you've got the ability to take a photo, and within that you can adjust the ratio or put countdowns. Then you've got the ability to take videos, and you can adjust the resolution at either 4K, 2.7K or 1080p, all in 16:9 aspect ratio. And you can also adjust the FPS from 60 down to 24. You also got the ability to do slow-mo, and in here it's at 1080p and it's 4 times slow. You also have the option to do time-lapse, hyperlapse and motion lapse, and you can adjust the second and the intervals accordingly. And the final shooting mode you got is panoramic. So within here what you can do is either choose 3x3 or 180-degree panoramic. Furthermore, within Pro settings, you've got the ability to change the colour and use a de-Cinelite colour profile or normal. You've got the ability to adjust the white balance. You can also go in and adjust the exposure, and that's the ISO and shutter speed. Or you can also adjust the mic sensitivity volume. One more thing that's really key for me when using the Osmo Pocket is some of the accessories that it comes with. So you can get a mounting clip where you can then clip the Osmo Pocket to any kind of surface or tripod or extension, which may be useful for some of you guys out there. You also have the wireless module, which is basically a stand that the Osmo Pocket sits in, and you can charge it while it's on the stand. But the thing about that stand is it allows you to connect wirelessly from your phone. You can adjust and control the gimbal wirelessly, sort of like a webcam. One of the main final accessories for the Osmo Pocket 1 is a controller wheel, and I really have saved the best for last. I find the controller wheel an absolute game changer. Being able to tilt and pan smoothly and slowly at your own accord, it is an absolute game changer without having to touch the fiddly little screen and use that to pan. Alright, so in terms of real world use, so with it being priced at £259, being able to use it to upgrade your personal content for me is an absolute game changer. So for example, usually I would take photos of my phone. I have got a DJI Osmo Mobile 4 gimbal where I put my iPhone on, but it is considerably larger than the Osmo Pocket. So in terms of going on holidays or being at events or even family functions, rather than using your phone where you sometimes get some wobbly kind of unstabilized footage, what you can do is use the Osmo Pocket and it'll give you much more of a clean, smooth cinematic look. So I tend to create a lot of content, whether it's around cars or outdoors or it's functions or whatever it may be. Being able to upgrade your footage for only £259 I think is a bargain. So to be honest, in terms of the steadiness and quality that you get from your footage, I feel like it transformed my footage to the next level. So I find it very useful. If you don't take many videos or you're not trying to get that cinematic look, then fine. I would avoid the product and stick with your phone. But if you do want to step up your game and you want to do a bit of editing as well and kind of put these small clips or videos together, then definitely look at the DJI Osmo Pocket. Alright guys, we're going to wrap the video up there. I hope you guys enjoyed and it helps you make your choice a little easier in terms of which DJI Osmo Pocket you want to go for. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comment section below, and also any other video suggestions that you guys want to see. Alright guys, thank you very much for your support and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.